Contractors, you can use this bathroom remodel cost calculator to get better leads. Bathroom remodel leads can be great, or they can be a total waste of time. Most contractors lose hours every week answering price questions from people who are not even close to ready. This bathroom remodel cost calculator fixes that. It gives homeowners a realistic price range based on real inputs, not wishful thinking. Here is why contractors like this. When someone fills this out, they already understand the budget before they contact you. That means better conversations, faster quotes, and fewer dead ends. This is not about replacing your estimates. It's about filtering leads before they hit your inbox or before they call you. You can also use it as a free tool on your site, or if you want it fully installed and branded for your business, I offer a done-for-you setup where I handle everything for you. So if you're tired of chasing low-quality leads, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can add to your website. Links to this demo, this is for this actual tool, is going to be directly below in the video description box. If you have any questions, I will also leave my email address below, and I'm also going to leave the page where you can place your orders as well. So there'll be 3 links in the video description box directly below for your convenience. So this is the bathroom remodel cost calculator. Fairly simple. It tells you the bathroom size, small, medium, large. You put that in here. What do you want to update? Material quality, labor complexity, standard, basic, complex, and it gives you an estimated project cost, range from low end to high end, and then this would be where your business's number would be. This is just a placeholder for now. And like I said, I can make this more advanced. I can customize. I can add more features if you want. It can be customized to your business. So with that being said, if you're interested in checking this out, all the links are directly below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.